Case number 5 for the calculation of particular integral, wherein it says that q of x will be in the form x into v of x. Mind well, in the previous case, what we call it as case number 4, it was product of e to the power ax into v of x. And v of x was option only sin ax, cos ax, or x to the power m. Here also, we have the option x into v of x, and v of x will be only sin ax or cos ax. It cannot be e to the power ax. Why? Because x multiplied by e to the power ax, sorry, x multiplied by e to the power ax will be, which case, if we write this as e to the power ax into x, it will be case number 4 simply, because e to the power x into polynomial. See, x is also polynomial of degree 1. So therefore here it will be only sin ax or cos ax which is multiplied by x. And also what point to be noted, x must be linear. ये जो x है ये क्या होना चाहिए, लीनियर होना चाहिए. लीनियर मीन्स इट्स डिग्री शुड बी 1, its power should be 1. So I will identify any of the term when it is multiplied by x with sin x or cos ax. It will be case number 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Accordingly,
Yes, sir.
case number 5 says that q of x is equal to x into v of x. X must be linear. X cannot be e to the power ax. X will be only sin ax or cos ax. So x multiplied by sin 2x, x multiplied by cos 5x, all these examples will be identified as examples of case number 5. Is the point clear? So x must be linear. This you need to keep in mind. And v of x will be sin ax or cos ax. That is what the thing is. So pi is equal to 1 upon f of d to be multiplied by x into v of x, whatever is the RHS of the given differential equation. X will be taken outside, 1 upon f of d to be multiplied by v of x minus derivative of this upon square of this to be multiplied by or operated on v of x. अभी v of x यानी क्या रहेगा, sin ax और cos ax, यानी which case will be applicable for sin ax and cos ax after the substitution or simplification? Case number
Second
2.
case.
Yes, because sin ax and cos ax जब भी दिखेगा I will apply after simplification case number 2. So case number 5 works only till this step. After this I have to apply case number 2. Case number 5 only gives you the simplification of the product depending on the nature of RHS. And after that I have to proceed it finally with the help of case number 2, which is sin ax or cos ax. So here the simplification of the case or splitting of the term is in the form x outside 1 upon f of d to be operated on v of x minus f dash of d upon f of d whole square to be operated on v of x. V of x will be either sin ax or cos ax. So I will apply further case number 2 for the simplification. Here mind well, v of x cannot be e to the power ax. अगर वो x into e to the power ax बन जाएगा, it is similar to case number 4, not a different one, right? So case number 5 has certain different peculiarity. Also, what is the condition? X must be linear. X into sin ax, x into cos ax. Such kind of terms or expressions will be identified as case number 5. Noted down the simplification up to this. X into 1 upon f of d to be operated on v of x minus f dash of d upon f of d whole square to be operated on v of x, and evaluate by using case number 2. After this, which case is applicable? Case number 2 is applicable. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Completed up to this, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Yeah. Now